Welcome to How to Ride JTA. In this episode, we'll show you how to download and use the MyJTA mobile app. The MyJTA mobile app is a free download from your phone's app store. Just search for MyJTA, click on it, and press the install button. In just a few seconds, you will be ready to go. By clicking on the menu, you can plan your trip, buy tickets, manage your ticket purchases, and more. Let's start with planning your trip. By clicking on the Plan Your Route link on the menu, you will have two options to plan where you want to go. You can type in your starting point and destination in the boxes at the top of the page, or you can use the interactive map. The map will locate your current location as the starting point, and you can search the destination point on the map. Just press that location on the screen to lock it in. Click the Get Routes button at the bottom of the page, and all of the routes available to your destination will populate on your screen, along with the updated information on just when the next bus is coming, the route number, and how long the trip will take. Click on one of the routes to see the full trip details. Buying your tickets is just as easy. Just click on the Buy Now button to see the menu of pass options. The MyJTA mobile app is available for all JTA transit services, including our specialty services like Connexion, the St. John's River Ferry, Ready Ride, and the Game Day Express. Bus passes come in single ride or unlimited rides in 1, 3, 7, or 31-day options. Add your selection to the shopping cart, and when you're ready to pay, click the icon, review your selections and your payment method. You have the option to pay by credit or debit card or by using your MyJTA wallet. If you're using a card, type in your card information or tap the camera icon and take a photo of the card information to make your payment. Your tickets will be located in the app's ticket manager. To ride, just hold the barcode up to the ticket validator, wait for your pass to be accepted, then show your phone to the driver and take your seat. If you're riding the St. John's River Ferry or on Connexion, either the ferry staff or your driver will validate your pass. The MyJTA mobile app. It's as easy as pay, scan, and go. Check out all our videos on how to ride JTA.